How to add stop loss on Robinhood. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, open the Robinhood app on your phone. Go to your stock. Now find the stock you own that you want to sell. If the price goes down, tap on that stock. Now after that, tap on trade, then sell. So once you are on the stock page, tap on trade button, then tap on sell button, and now change the order type to stop order. So now look at the top where it says market order. Tap on it and choose stop order from the list. Now set your stop price. So next, enter the price you were where you want Robinhood to sell your stock. This is the price where the stop loss will trigger. Now for example, if the stock is $50 and you don't want to lose too much, you can set the stop at $45. Now you can review and swipe up to submit. After that, enter how many shares you want to sell, review everything, then swipe up to place the stop order. So this is how to add stop loss on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.